All right, I'm going to show you an example how to do the first question. Okay. Now, actually, I've put in the assignment description there already. I mean the watch and learn there. Okay. The 5 steps how to do. So first step is identify the constraints. Okay. Each inequality equation is considered a constraint. Okay. So in this question, they already so nicely given to us. Okay, the 3 various different constraints. Okay, if you have questions like question 4 onwards, okay, they will have all the, you have to create your own inequalities which becomes the constraint. But for the sake of time, okay, I'm only going to stick to this one. Okay, so I have my 3 constraints: x plus y less than 11, y more than 3, and y less or equal to x. Okay, now step 2, what do? I need to draw all these constraints into a Cartesian graph. Okay, now because you are guys at home got computer to use, so you guys get to be sneaky a bit lah. All right, but I hope, but you must practice also to do it on a graph paper. Otherwise, if you rely too much on this one, then later exam is all on paper. All right. Okay. So they give me already. Okay. X plus y less or equal to 11. So I write here x plus y less or equal to 11. Okay. Notice that they will be, I mean the here will be drawn lah. Okay. By right, you in the when you do on paper, you have to draw, you have to shade it a bit. Okay, so let's continue first. Let's put in all the equation. I mean all the constraint. Y more or equal to 3. Y more or equal to 3. And last one is y less or equal to x. Y less or equal to x. Okay, so notice now where is the region. Okay, so this is step 2 we already do. Next we need to identify the region that satisfy all these constraints. Okay, if you notice, all right, if I just show this one, a B and C only, okay, which is only this region, right? Then suddenly I add this region, so the pink one is where what satisfy it all. And then finally, so we have this one. So which is the part that satisfy everything? Here. Okay, wait, let me see, I can zoom or not. Okay, all right. So what's the next step? So we identify already this is the region. Okay, what is the next step? We need to list down all the possible combination. For your level, we only stick to integers for the Cartesian coordinates. Okay, so basically what they want is Cartesian coordinates. Right, so we have 3 3 4 3 5 3 6 3 7 3. So notice I'm just sticking to the borders. Okay, I'm not doing putting anywhere else. Okay, but over here by right this is also possible lah, but in the to save time we just ignore this one. Okay, no need to bother. Okay, so we have a total of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 possibilities. Okay, so we have the 10 possibilities already. All right, so best thing to do over here, okay, I have a Google sheet here. Okay, so let me list it down first. I have first coordinate is 5 5, second coordinate is 6 5, then 4 4, 7 4, 3 3, 4 3, 5 3, 6 3, 7 3, and 8 3. Okay, we have 10 different coordinates. Okay, notice I put it all in terms of x or y. Let me change this setting a bit. Okay, like that easier to see, right? Okay, so what do we do next? Okay, let's go back to the question and see. Okay, now we want to find the maximum value of x plus 4y. Okay, so basically we have all these possibilities. So okay, so we want to know, what's the maximum possible value of x plus 4y. So what we do is we have x plus 4 times y. Okay, so if you notice here, correct or not, 4 times 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. Okay, so do all the same for the rest. Which one is the maximum? Equals max. This is the power of Excel, yo. Okay, so which is 26? We have this one. Okay, so to get the maximum value of x plus 4y, x should be 6, y should be 5. Okay, that's the answer for A. Then what about for B? This time we are looking for minimum value of 3x plus y. Okay, so let's go back here. Okay, so this time this one I will ignore this. I will just hide this. Okay, so let's focus on this now. Okay, equals to 3 times x plus y. Okay, so this is you get 20, right? Now let's see the rest. Okay, which is the minimum? Minimum would be 12, which is 12 here. So 3, 3. Okay, and that would be your answer. All right, it's not very difficult, but you need to know all the previous knowledge first lah. Okay, you cannot just chin do here, chin do there, and then here you suffer lor. Okay, so do your best. Thank you.